Hi guys, this is Kim from the Beauty Biz, and I just want to share with you, it is gifts with purchase time. It is the beginning of the year. It is the perfect time to take the free masterclass that I teach on how to get free makeup and skincare all year. It could not be easier. It could not be more fun. I will teach you how to find the beauty brands you love, how to make beauty advisor friends so you get all the insider secrets, and how to use this every month to get free makeup and skincare all year. It could not be easier and it couldn't be more fun. And I share all the secrets that not all beauty advisors will share with you. I literally teach you how to go month by month and find your favorite cosmetics brands and how to do everything step by step. I've got a tip sheet that will show you the easy way so you can take it with you and be able to remember everything from the masterclass. There's easy printouts. There's a 3-video series that you can go here on my YouTube channel. It's a playlist and you can watch the videos absolutely free, or you can sign up for the free mini masterclass. It takes probably 15 minutes tops and you will get all the insider secrets. This is all the juicy stuff that no other beauty advisor will share with you. It is loads of information, good information that you can use and learn how to get free makeup and skincare all year and stock your vanity. It couldn't be easier and more fun. Makeup and skincare is expensive. You really do not have to pay full price all the time for your luxury cosmetic brands. But I share the link to my masterclass. It's always in the description of my YouTube videos. You can look at the banner on my YouTube channel that it says get free makeup. This is what I teach women to do. Makeup is expensive. You don't have to pay full price. It is worth 15 minutes of your time to take this masterclass and get all my insider secrets that I teach ladies all year long. Make your calendar, schedule your months, know which brands, gift with purchase on which months, and every month you will be able to get a gift with purchase that is going to give you free makeup and skincare all year long. So hit the link, sign up for the free masterclass, and I'm going to be giving you reminders throughout the next 3 weeks. The first tip sheet is how to find your favorite brands and where they're at what store, how to make beauty advisor friends, and how to start the process. You guys, couldn't be more happier to share this with you. Much love.